Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A51 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Over here you need to type Magic Fluids and download this free app from this developer. This one. Then click on Open. Now you need to click on... Come on! Okay, sometimes this pop-up comes in, so I have to click OK, but then you can finally click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and tap on I accept. Then adjust your wallpaper however you want to. And click at the top right corner. Then bottom one again, but this time choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!